Learning Care, you should have received an email that it was time to change your battery. Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery. When you receive your battery, it will come in this box with the label that says open and install immediately. Please do so. In the box, you will receive a return label from UPS to return your old battery, instructions on how to replace the new battery, as well as your new battery. Please be mindful of your serial number, that it matches the serial number in your unit if you have multiple at your location. If you only have one AED, we will provide the serial number for you and the installation date. If you do not have an installation date, please write so that we can monitor it. To install your battery, please take your AED off the wall sleeve and remove from the carrying case. You will want to flip over the AED and remove the battery. You're going to take your new battery and replace it. When you replace the battery, it will be red, but just wait a few moments and it will flip to green. Thank you for installing your new battery in your AED. In order to send back the old battery, you're going to ensure it is the old battery. Place it in the box that you received the new battery in. You're going to seal it and use the return label that we provided. If there was no label, please contact us and we will provide you with a label. After you have shipped back your battery via UPS, you can drop off at any Staples, UPS drop box, or UPS location. You're going to scan the QR code so that we know that you installed the battery and you are rescue ready. If you have any questions about your AED and if you had any trouble, please call us at Team Life at 732-946-4243 or email us at support@teamlife.com.